Hello everyone, today I'm showing you the most reliable way to get your Binance account up and running. As the world's leading exchange, it's packed with features and I'm going to make sure you navigate them perfectly. First, look at the link in the description. By using that specific link, you're securing a 50% fee payback and up to $600 in rewards credited to your account. It's a massive head start for any new trader, so definitely click that before we dive in. All right, let's get to work. First, we need to build your account. Go ahead and click that link now. It'll take you straight to the official Binance signup hub. From there, you can choose to register using either your email or your phone number, whichever is more convenient. Go ahead and enter those details now. Once you're set, just check the small box to agree to the terms. Now, click that big Continue button. At this point, Binance will send a 6-digit verification code to the email or phone you just provided. Grab that code and type it into the boxes on your screen. Now, click that big Continue button. Really straightforward, right? Next is your password. This is your first line of defense. It needs to be at least 8 characters long with one number and one uppercase letter. I highly recommend making it a unique password that you don't use elsewhere. Now, once you hit continue, your account is officially active. If an inviter code screen pops up, just double check that the code is visible so your bonuses stay active. If it's blank, you can re-enter it right there. And just like that, step 1 is in the books. Now let's move on to KYC identity verification. This is a mandatory step if you want to actually deposit funds, withdraw your gains, or start trading. Since this requires a quick face scan, it's much easier to do on your phone. Go ahead and install the Binance app and log in. Once you're in, the app should lead you right to the verification screen. Confirm your nationality and choose your ID, whether it's a driver's license, ID card, or passport. Select Take Pictures and hit Continue. You'll need to snap a clear photo of the front and back of your ID. Make sure there's no glare. Then it's time for the face scan. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Once that's done, confirm your name, birthday. Now click that big Continue button. And occupation. Now click that big Continue button. The review is usually finished in under 5 minutes and you'll see your status updated on your profile. We're nearly there. Next is two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is what keeps the hackers out. Jump back to your PC, go to the Security tab, and click Manage next to Authenticator app. Click Enable, verify your identity via email, and a QR code will appear. Now on your phone, download the Google Authenticator app. Open it up, click Get Started, and then select Use without signing in for maximum privacy. Tap Add a Code and then scan a QR code. Scan that code on your PC screen and boom, you'll see a 6-digit Binance OTP code. Go back to your PC, then click Next and type in the 6-digit code currently showing on your phone. Hit Submit and you are officially locked down and secure. Your Google OTP is active. And that's it. That concludes our tutorial on how to get started with Binance. Please leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching.